Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to open Pinterest account. So, like any other social media app, you need to log in with your account. So first of all, you need to go to Pinterest, and then you're gonna see a login button. Just go ahead and enter your email and create your password. And if you want to sign up with your own email, just go ahead and enter your email, create a password in your age, and then continue. Click next, and then select how you identify, your gender, and then select your language and country region from that drop down menus, and then select 5 or more topics that you are interested in, and basically click done. And now you just created your Pinterest account, and now you can go through, like any other user, watch the many pictures that you can save, or many wallpapers that you can save to your phone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.